Approaches to Learning, Final Project by Maira Cano, PE and swimming teacher. ATL, Thinking. Skill, practice observing carefully in order to recognize problems. Working with 5th grade students. Shooting basketball technique. We will start by analyzing the importance of observation in the practice and improvement of any sport. We'll play Find the Difference with images. The previously learned in basketball shooting phases will be practiced. Working in pairs, one student will make 10 medium-distance shots to the hoop. The other student will observe him and give him at least one tip to improve the technique. Assessment. Students will make self-assessment after corrections made. Each student will shoot 10 shots at the hoop, and the score will be recorded in order to check the progress in shooting technique.